Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to Sony a7 Friday. Just a quick bonus video. You ever try to shoot video with your Sony a7 III and you have to click the little record red button on the back to start recording your video? What if I told you you could use the shutter button to record your video? Because you can, and I'll show you right now. So let's go. All right, I have my a7 III in video mode, probably just out of the box how you have it. Now, if I hit the red record button, it'll start recording because you can see the record. I'll stop that. What I want to teach you how to do is how to use the shutter button here to start your video. So right now, if I press the shutter button, it gives me this error. Movie recording starts with the movie button, obviously. So how do we change that? Go into your menu, go to tab number 2, page 3, I believe. And right here, movie with shutter, it's off. So we'll turn that on. We'll go back out. And now I'm still in movie mode. So now I'm going to start the movie recording with the shutter button. Bingo. And that is how you use the shutter button to start your recordings. Super duper easy. That's how easy it is to use your shutter button on your a7 III to record video. And because this video is only about a minute or two, I figured why not give you guys a bonus for Friday. So if this was helpful to anybody, again, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I appreciate all your messages and all your notes. The weekend is here. Why not get out there and start shooting? Talk to you soon. Peace, guys.